Ynnead, sometimes called the Whispering God, is the Aeldari god of the dead and represents the last hope of the dwindling Aeldari species. The Uncarne long believed that when the Infinity Circuits finally hold all of the remaining souls of their species, all of the craft worlds will unite into one Infinity Circuit. At that time, the collective souls of the Uncarne will join to form a new entity in the warp that will battle and subdue Slaanesh, so that all Aeldari spirits may once more be able to merge with it and form a single balanced entity. By doing so, if such a thing is possible, they hope that this will allow the Aeldari race to be reborn into a better form. Meanwhile, the craft worlds and the spirit stones must be guarded from harm and continue to survive, so that all Uncarne can see and form in their own minds a concept of the Aeldari virtuals that will enter along with their souls into the Infinity Circuits. Ynnead itself, the god of the dead, is a nascent Aeldari deity growing in the collective Infinity Circuits of every craft world, from the collective souls of the dead Uncarne. Ynnead has yet to manifest itself, as it has not gained enough power to fulfill its purpose to destroy Slaanesh and free the Aeldari species from the Chaos God's curse. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.